Code C, part 5 of 9, Hex Nut M20. Create a new file. Enter the name Hex Nut M20. Let's go here. Create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Enter polygon. Number of sides 6. Inscribe radius. Specify the sketch origin. And enter the radius 15 mm. Position 0 degree. Close. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 16 mm. Okay. Now create a sketch. Select XY datum plane. Draw a circle of diameter 30 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select X2. Enter the end distance value 16 mm. Select the Boolean operation intersect. Select the draft from start limit. Enter the angle minus 60 degree. Okay. Select mirror feature. Select this extrude and create a new plane. Select the offset distance of 8 mm. Select the show result with OK. Select the hole tool. Select threaded hole M20 into 2.5. Select the arc center. Normal to face until next. Subtract from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Right click. Orient move to trimetry. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes Code C, part 5 of 9, Hex Nut M20.